How will Andy Burnham, likely replacing Keir Starmer, affect UK politics? This leadership change could reshape Labour's future and Britain's political landscape in unexpected ways. Andy Burnham is known for his direct, often populist style, especially from his time as mayor of Greater Manchester. Unlike Keir Starmer, who has taken a more reserved and legalistic approach as Labour leader, Burnham emphasizes regional empowerment and social justice. This shift could energize grassroots supporters and change how Labour connects with Northern England and other key regions, potentially altering the party's messaging and appeal. Burnham's tenure as mayor highlighted his commitment to public health and regional economic development. If he replaces Starmer, Labour could prioritize increased NHS funding, improved social care, and investment in northern infrastructure. This would contrast with Starmer's broader focus on rebuilding party unity and tackling Brexit fallout. Burnham's policies may appeal more directly to working-class voters who felt neglected in recent years. Replacing Starmer with Burnham could signal a strategic pivot back to Labour's traditional base in northern England and the Midlands. Burnham's local popularity and regional focus might help Labour regain seats lost in the 2019 and 2021 elections. However, this could risk alienating more centrist or metropolitan voters. The challenge will be balancing these interests to maximize electoral gains in upcoming general elections. Labour currently faces internal divisions between its moderate and left-wing wings. Burnham, sometimes seen as a unifier due to his regional experience, might bridge these gaps. Alternatively, his outspoken nature could exacerbate tensions. His leadership will influence Labour's public image, either presenting a refreshed, bold alternative to the Conservatives or deepening perceptions of disarray. The outcome will heavily impact UK political stability. Andy Burnham replacing Keir Starmer could redefine Labour's approach, from leadership style to policy focus and electoral strategy. This change might energize traditional voters and reshape UK politics in surprising ways. Stay curious about how this unfolds and hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.